When managing any project, there are many factors to consider. When will the product arrive? How will the product get into the building and to the designated areas? How will you find trained installers? And who will manage the communication of all these things? We can help. Midmark provides project management, delivery, and installation services in one best-in-class solution tailored for you. We can help ensure that everything is on schedule, done right the first time, and involves minimal effort from you. Your Midmark Field Project Manager will be on site to manage your project throughout the delivery and installation process. We have an unparalleled understanding of our products, as well as the coordination, delivery, and installation process. We will ensure your technology is properly installed and seamlessly connected. In fact, we conduct factory-recommended quality checks on all Midmark products before we leave your facility. Whether it's a large or small project, our trained delivery and installation teams are here to worry about your project so you can continue to focus on what's most important: your patients.